BJP workers gunfired at the house of Wangjing Tentha Assembly constituency intending Congress candidate and Manipur Pradesh Youth Congress Committee MPYCC State Coordinator Usham Manglem. The incident took place at around 8 p.m. last night at Kairembikok, Awanglekai resident, injuring around 10 people. It is alleged that rape attempt was made by the assaulters. In view of the incident, candidate Usham Manglem said that around 500 people stormed outside his gate at around 7:30 p.m. and gunfired several rounds of bullets at his house. He continued that discussions were going on with his workers for the upcoming election at the time of the incident. Police teams rushed to the spot right after the assault took place. He further urged the guardians of the youths involved in the assault to look after their kins before misfortunate incidents fall upon them. He added that the constituency has become a lawless one in view of the upcoming election, as the youths had already gotten out of control, intoxicated by liquor and others.